Okay, now we look at this one. Okay, you see, let's say I differentiate ln x, I will get x -1. That means differentiate means you want to change this function ln. This one can be changed into -1. Okay, so that means when I bring the differentiate over here is the inverse of, I get the inverse, there is the integration, integrate x -1 dx, I will get ln modulus x plus c. Okay, so this is what you get, integrate -1, you will get ln. But now the problem is, you differentiate what function here, you will get ln. What is the function that you will get ln? You differentiate ln, you get -1. But what must you differentiate to get this? That means when you integrate this ln, okay, then this is the x, same, the x, but what is the function here? What is the function here? Don't have. That means when you want to integrate ln, what do you get? No. That's why got one student asked me yesterday, sir, how to integrate ln x? Very good. So how to integrate? This is what we are going to learn today. Just like here, let's say I want to integrate this. Okay, to integrate this, I know, you look at the bracket here. This is the bracket. I know I must have a, I have to write like this, you see, ln 3x plus 1 dx. So because this bracket, so I must have a 3 here, because I differentiate this, I have 3, I have 1/3. So what you integrate this, you have 1/3. Now this ln become what? It will become what? There is a problem. What is this? Actually none. Tada. Okay, that's why today we are going to learn how to integrate ln. Okay, that's why you see in my list here, in the list I give you algebraic, exponential, and then trigonometric. But you see I don't give you logarithmics. Ln, what is this? Tara. Okay, so I tell you, for ln, you want to integrate, you have to use integration by parts. You cannot use substitution, you cannot use partial fraction, you have to use integration by parts. So now I'm going to show you how to use integration by part for ln. Okay, so now you look at this one. Let's see. Look at this one, ln x. Okay, so how to integrate ln x? You have to use integration by parts. What is integration by part? Integration by part means we are going to use u dv, uv minus v du. So which one is our u and dv? I told you already, I say every time you must look at where is the u. Okay, you see I show you before that, this just before this we have learned this. Okay, if let's say this one, the algebraic always the u, you see or not? The u is always the x. You see, algebraic and trigonometric, the u is always the x. Remember that. Then the rest are dv. Okay, but for for logarithmics, remember, now the u is always the ln. You remember, this is always the ln. The ln x is the u. Okay, then the rest will be the dv. That's why I get this. U equal to ln x, dv equal to dx. So I differentiate this, du x -1 dx, then I get this. And then here I integrate the 1, here I get v. Here I integrate 1, I get x. Okay, for this part. So dv, dx, I integrate, I get this. Okay, now, so you see, this is u, okay? Then this will be the dv. Always we look for the u first. So you write down the 4 bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. uv, then v dx. Remember that? Okay. So then after that, we are going to substitute all the variable inside. U ln x, then the v will be x, and then v is x, then the du is 1/x dx. Then after that, we can integrate this. This one is x, then this one you simplify, you get 1, isn't it? So you integrate the 1, you get x. So this is the answer. Okay, why we have c? Because plus 0 here. You integrate the 0, you have c. Don't forget the c. So this is how we integrate. And then next we look at this one. Let's say I give you this. Now let's say you have this. Again, you want to use u dv integration by part, uv minus v du. So you must have the identify where is the u. Always the one with the ln is the u, remember. Okay, the one with the ln is your u, then the rest are dv. So you have this, u is ln this, and then you differentiate du dx. This is x plus 1 negative 1, and differentiate the x, you get 1. So you get this, and then dv equal to dx, then you integrate, you get v equal to x. Okay, then after that you substitute. So this is your u, this is your dv. So what you have to do, you just write the 4 bracket like that, u v minus, then v, and then du, like that. Then only you substitute like that. So you bring in, you write the bracket first. Okay, so u will be ln x plus 1, then the v is x, then you substitute, then accordingly you fill in all the blanks here, the 4 blanks. Then after that you simplify. Then here you will get x ln x plus 1 minus, this is 1 is x over. So when you get this one, you want to integrate this. Remember, this is a fraction and this is improper. I told you already, every time improper you must change to proper. How to change it? Using long division, x over x plus 1. You divide, afterward you will get this. Okay, you just copy back everything, then you get this is 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Then you can integrate like this, x. Then when you integrate this, you get 1. Then this one minus minus, you get plus, you get x plus 1, negative 1, isn't it? You get this one is negative 1. Okay, then after that you get this one, same, this one integrate, you get x. And then when you integrate this, negative 1, you will give you ln, isn't it? Ln. And then actually this is modulus, then plus c. So that is the answer. Or you can combine this one, these two you can combine together, and then you get x plus 1 and then minus x plus c. That is how you simplify. Okay, so this is how you get this. Okay, next another one, another example. Let's say you have this. This is the definite integral. So I told you already, every time this is the u. Okay, for ln, this is the u. Okay, so the u is ln x, then the x plus 3 dx will be the dv, because you want to have this u dv equals to uv minus v du. So the u is this one, the rest are dv. So differentiate, you get this, differentiate. Okay, so this one, okay, differentiate, you get this. Okay, 1 over x dx, and then dv will be x plus 3 dx. Then you integrate this one, you get x plus 3 power 1 become power 2 over 2. Or you can integrate like that, also the same thing, because you integrate this x squared over 2, x squared over 2 plus 3x. It's the same one, these two are the same. Okay, now then after that you substitute. Okay, this one is u dv, then you have uv, so you write down the 4 bracket like that, uv, and then 1 to 2, just like this. You write down, okay, uv, then 1 to 2. This is u, this is v, minus 1, 2, then v du. Then you just substitute 1 by 1. U is ln x, and then v is this one, x plus 3 square over 2, x plus 3 square over 2, and then the dv is 1 over x dx, is it? So that's why you get this. So you write down the 4 bracket first. Then after that you say this is half, then this is x plus 3 square ln x, 2, 1, minus 1 over 3. Then how to integrate this? Because this one we can, the 1 over 3 can take out. So this is x squared plus 6x plus 9 divided by x. Okay, 1 to 2. And then here you have this. Okay, same. And then 1 over 3 here, you have this one is x, this one is 6, this is 9 over x. And then you substitute the value. Then you will get, substitute 2, you have 5 squared ln 2. And then when you substitute 1, you have 4 squared ln 1. Ln 1 is 0. Then minus 1 over 3, here you substitute 2, you have 2 squared. Okay, so you see how I substitute here. Okay, here I integrate. Sorry, I integrate first. X squared, 6x, 9 ln x. Okay, then this one is 25 over 2. Okay, here I substitute 2. I get 2 squared, 12, 9 ln 2. And then when I substitute 1, I must minus 1 square over this one. Minus 6, 1. And then this one, ln 1 is 0. Then after that, you simplify this one. Simplify until finally you will get this. So this will be the answer. So this part, how to simplify, you can go through. I think you should know. Okay.